Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, welcome you all.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranam Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Koti koti pranam.
Hare Krishna. So welcome you all to this initiation course, the Vaishnava ethics. So today I'll be speaking about Vaishnava dress and Tilak appearance. Okay. So before we can start, I'll just quick start with the prayers. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupaya Kada Mahyam Dadanti Swapadantikam Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Paschata Deshatarine Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hara Haraya Namah, Krishna Yadavaya Namaha, Yadavaya Madhavaya, Keshavaya Namaha. Hariharaya Nama Krishna Yadavaya Namaha Yadavaya Madhavaya Govindaya Namaha Sri Krishna Hari Bol Gopala Hari Bol Radha Ramana Govinda Hari Bol Sri Krishna Hari Bol Gopala Hari Bol Radha Ramana Govinda Hari Bol Jaya Radha Govinda Radha Govinda Radhe Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Panchatattva Jaya Panchatattva Panchatattva Jaya Panchatattva Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Nitai Gaura Haribo 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 Nitai Gaura Haribo Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. So these are the very important aspect what we are going to learn today, because the first And the foremost front line comes the austerity, the cleanliness part of the body, that is external cleanliness, taking a bath in the morning. After you take a bath, then how you should earmark your body so that you are prepared to do the seva, Vaishnava seva. Okay. And for that, see, how do you identify whenever you're going to a temple for Mangalarti or for some occasion, how do you identify a Vaishnava in a crowd? Yes, somebody from the audience?
By Tilak
dress,
Mataji.
Mataji,
Tilak
Tilak.
Mataji.
Dress,
Tilak Mataji.
Tilak, and Kantimala.
So mostly by seeing them, then we can say, yes, these are our devotees, and we'll say Hare Krishna. Okay. If it's Prabhuji, we say Hare Krishna Prabhuji, then Mataji, we say Hare Krishna Mataji. We greet each other just by the appearance, and by the tilak and the kantimala, we recognize them, isn't it? So what should be the appearance of a Vaishnava? So how we are dressing yourself for the service of the Lord, that we will have a brief review. Then at the last, I will show you the PPT. I just want you to be knowledgeful about the theory part first. So I wanted volunteers to read this so that the side-by-side explanation goes. Yeah, anybody? They can raise their hands. Yes. Suma Mataji, I think, yes, you can start.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandot Pranams. Dress and appearance. A devotee's clothing must be simple, clean and distinctive so as to remind people of Krishna. Sixth, a manual of Vaishnava etiquette and lifestyle. When coming to the temple, particularly for the morning program, festivals and on Sundays, devotees should dress as follows. Men, dhoti and kurta. Women, sari, head covered in the presence of men. Other clothing must be avoided except in compelling circumstances or where definitely required for preaching. For both men and women, clothing should be... Okay.
Hare Krishna. So it should be a simple dress, okay, and at the same time clean, and preferably the made up of natural elements like cotton and all. Avoid silk and other materials most probably, because the cotton gives a very good feel and all, and at the same time the uniformity will be there. And this is especially when you're attending the Mangalarti or for any festivals or any other programs in the day. So it is always better if you can wear that. And as mentioned, dhoti and kurta for the Prabhujis, especially the Prabhujis who are in the very beginning stage of their devotion service, they have to wear the white color one. And the women, preferably sari, with the head covered in presence of men. And please try to avoid the other type of clothing. Salwar kameez is allowed. Yeah, depending on the climatic conditions and where you are placed and all. Okay. Yeah. Other devotee, I think Usha Kamat Mataji can read from CDE Mataji.
Yes, Hare Krishna Mataji. C, for both men and women, clothing should be simple and not fashionable and opulent. Yet the clothes must be neat and presentable. Unnecessary items like perfumes and various forms of cosmetics and makeup should be avoided. Simplicity in dress is very important for a Vaishnava, whether in the temple or outside. D, particularly for morning programs and for all temple programs in general, fresh clothes must be worn. The previous day's clothes must not be worn. E, Lord Chaitanya said that a Vaishnava is one who, when seen, reminds one of Krishna. Hence, all devotees must be particular in regard to the following, which mark one out as a Vaishnava. Shall I continue,
Krishna.
Mataji? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Nandita Mataji, can you summarize what exactly we have read till now?
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandvat Pranam. We've spoken about the appearance of the dress, the outer dress of physical dress of a Vaishnava devotee, And we should wear very simple clothes, preferably cotton. But if the climatic conditions are not suitable, then perhaps something else. Cotton is suitable for all climates, if I'm not mistaken. The men should be attired in a dhoti and kurta, and the women in a sari, preferably, definitely for Mangalarti and all that. But otherwise, a salwar kameez with a head covering will do as well, and the upper body. And it should be not fashionable, and we should not really put on too much makeup or jewelry or something that makes us stand out of makes us stand as opulent or whatever. And you must never wear unironed or unwashed clothes. Always wear fresh clothes. I think that was it, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Sharan Prabhu, you wanted to add something to what Mataji has told?
Hare Krishna Mataji. The Mataji has said wonderfully everything. As also Lord Chaitanya has said, when sees Vaishnava, he must remind him of Krishna. So we must be very careful how our etiquette is, our appearance is, because it will really affect how we present the institution of ISKCON. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So basically, Krishna should be all attractive. So we are all his servants. So we should not make an attempt to make ourselves attractive. So we should be dressed in such a way that that devotional service should invoke in others also who are seeing us. Okay, that's the main concept. Hare Krishna, Dinesh Prabhu, Hare Krishna, you can say.
Hare Krishna Mataji. In fact, the same point I wanted to say before he said that appearance should invite others to remind Krishna's presence or Krishna's glory. Whether it is dress or tilka or the kantimala, people should get reminded of Krishna when they see such a person. This is the point I would say.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Before, I think it is clear. Anybody has any doubt regarding the Vaishnava dress? They can raise their hands or they can ask questions.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, why is it compulsory for women to cover their head, Mataji?
It's a matter of respect. See, otherwise, if you're wearing a, what do you say, when you bow down in front of a Guru Maharaj or the deities, it's always better to cover the head so that it's a matter of respect. That's it, Mataji, simple wise.
Okay, Mataji, thank you.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. Oh, okay. Hope we are done with this. Then we'll move on to the next. Yes, Sharan Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Just one small doubt. Mataji, the other color Vaishnavas I've seen, they wear yellow and orange. Orange is for Naishtik Brahmacharya, Mataji, and the yellow one?
That's in the process, Prabhu. At one level, they'll be given orange. Next level, they'll be given, at one level, they're given yellow, and another, they'll be given orange, Prabhu. So that's in the process, depending on their level of austerities they are performing. There will be a slight progression in this.
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
So next we'll move on to the tilaka. So one should always decorate the body with tilaka because body is a temple and we have to earmark the body by different ornaments by reciting the name of the Lord, okay, after taking the bath. And a person who is not chanting the holy name and not following the regulative principle must not wear tilaka, particularly outside the temple. So this is especially for the devotees who are serious enough to progress further in the bhakti, that they should earmark the body in the 12 paths and follow it strictly. Okay. Yeah. So I just wanted some devotee volunteer to read this again. Yes, Dinesh Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you. Applying tilaka, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srila Prabhupada says, Srila Prabhupada glorifies Tilaka in the following Srimad Bhagavatam purport. In Kali Yuga, one can hardly acquire gold or jeweled ornaments, but the 12 Tilaka marks on the body are sufficient as auspicious decorations to purify the body. So, after putting on clean cloth, sit on a purified asan, preferably a kusha grass mat, and apply Urdhva, Pundra, or Vishnu Tilka on the 12 parts of the body. You should not apply Tilka in the bathroom. Tilka refers to marks placed on the body using various substances. Urdhva Pundra refers to the two vertical marks placed on the forehead and other parts of the body to indicate surrender to Lord Vishnu.
Hare
The
Krishna
Padma,
Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prafulla Prabhu. You can read from next 2 paragraphs. You can read.
Hare Krishna Mataji. The Padma Purana and Yajurveda state that Urdhva Pundra symbolizes the lotus feet of Vishnu. The 12 parts of the body on which we place the Urdhva Pundra marks are not arbitrary points. They are sensitive points that easily absorb the spiritual energy generated by reciting the names of Vishnu and mentally placing the Lord in those positions. If a devotee applies the marks of the Lord and chants his holy name, the Lord becomes pleased and resides with him. In the way, the material body becomes a sanctified temple of the Lord.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Shall I continue?
No, Mataji. Another devotee to continue. Yes, Nandita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can you scroll up? I couldn't see that paragraph. Where do I start? If a
the
devotee,
Brahmanda.
Sorry, thank you, Mataji. The Brahmanda Purana states that a devotee who applies his tilaka with great care by looking in a mirror or looking at his reflection in water goes to the Lord's supreme abode. By applying tilaka on these places and reciting Vishnu's names, one sanctifies and dedicates the body to the Lord's service. The Hari Bhakti Vilasa mentions that the Urdhva Pundra Tilaka may vary in shape, color, and material according to a devotee's sampradaya, but other features are shared. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, I wanted another devotee volunteer to read. Yes, Sharan Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Mataji. I will continue, Mataji. It should not be crooked, uneven, uncentered, dirty, or bad smelling. On the forehead, the center position between the two lines should be open from the eyebrows to the hairline, but should be joined at the bottom. The solid portion, tulsi, may extend 3/4 of the way down the nose. While applying tilaka, two vertical lines which represent the lotus feet of the Lord are drawn first. Then the tulsi leaf is drawn. Lord Vishnu is said to reside in the central portion, while Brahma resides on the left side and Shiva on the right. Srila Prabhupada advised devotees. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Jyoti Mataji, you can read next paragraph.
Srila Prabhupada advised devotees in the New York to try to avoid spilling Gopi Chandana. If it is fallen on the ground, immediately clear the area. Chant the following verses while rubbing Chandana.
Yeah. Ashish Prabhu, you can read next.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji. Chant Mataji from Lord Sri Prabhupada advice.
Chant the following verses. So
Chant
if you can.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji. Chant the following verses while rubbing Gopi Chandana in your left palm, then while applying Tilaka and clearing the middle space, chant the name of the appropriate form of the Lord. Alternatively, chant the verses given below, one line at a time, while applying the tilaka to the indicated place on your body. After each line of the verse, while clearing the space in the middle where the Lord resides, chant the name of the appropriate form of the Lord.
These are the various forms. These are the various places where you apply the tilaka. Okay. And when you are doing that, you have to recite this different mantras. Okay. I'll just, yeah, I think this will go. Yeah. Coming to the Vaishnava dress, I think you can see our Srila Prabhupada's photo here, who is in a typical Vaishnava attire, wearing the dhoti and the kurta. You can see the other Prabhujis and all wearing the Kantimala and the Vaishnava tilak. This is the, and having a Japmala bag. So you can see the little Vaishnava also here. Same thing. Yeah, you can see the Sakhis, Matajis, who are dressed in the Vaishnava attire, wearing the saris and doing the Sankirtana movement. And you can see the other Prabhujis also who are wearing the Vaishnava dress and doing the Sankirtana movement. This is one example of the Mataji who is wearing the pure cotton sari, as I told you, and just have covering her head, because cotton, it is easy to cover it, you know, the rest of the things will not go. And it gives very, what do you say, motherly feeling, I can say, very eco-friendly and suitable for our body. So it's always preferable to have this fresh, clean clothes. And this is a picture of a little Vaishnavas. So depending on the climatic conditions, again, some are in the, they're suiting the climatic condition, but all of them are the Vaishnava kids from the Gurukul, and you can see them wearing the tilaka, having the shikha and all. Okay, so coming to the tilaka applications, as I told you, once you take a bath and you have worn a clothes, fresh, clean clothes, Prabhuji is wearing the kurta and the dhoti, and Mataji is wearing the sari or salwar kameez as per their convenience. So next thing what you do is never apply the tilaka in the bathroom. You should always put it that in a very clean room, and come in front of the mirror and try to earmark your body by applying tilaka in these different places. Okay. So when you are earmarking that, then you need to recite these mantras and put the Vaishnava tilak. So these two, what do you say? What is that slide gone? I don't know. Okay. You can see the picture of Srila Prabhupada, how he's applying a tilaka. You should always try to apply tilaka with your ring finger. So on your left palm, you have to put the gopi chandan, put some water and try to liquefy it. Then take that. So you have to put like this. Start from between both the brows. Take the tilaka and go upward. Okay. Once it is thick, then take the little finger and try to clear the space in between. Okay. So that you'll get two, these are the feet of Lord Vishnu. Okay. Once you have applied that, then take a little bit of gopi chandan, and again you have to put this tulsi down. Okay. Tulsi at the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. Okay. So, so this place again is called, yeah, somebody is new to that. Ideally, you should try to do with your hands, but people who are new and all, and they don't have a practice, we have a ready-made sticks like this, where you can just put it down and put on your forehead, on earmark, on different parts of the body. But slowly, it is always advisable to practice with your fingers. Okay. And yeah. So you have to start with the Keshavaya Namaha, that is the forehead. Okay. You can see once you are placing here, then you have to say Keshavaya Namaha. Then you have to come just above your navel. This is Narayanaya Namaha. Then comes your chest area, that is Madhavaya Namaha. Then comes the throat area, that is Govindaya Namaha. So can somebody say in which order we have to go? I'll repeat again. First is the in the forehead region. Okay, this is the Ajna Chakra which get activated if you keep Tilaka with this ring finger. Okay, here first is the Keshavaya Namaha. Second is above your navel, that is Narayanaya Namaha. Okay, and next is the Madhavaya chest area, that is Madhavaya Namaha. Next comes the Govindaya Namaha. Can somebody please tell?
Hare Krishna Mataji, may I?
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
On the forehead, Keshavaya Namaha. Above the navel, Narayanaya Namaha. On the chest, Madhavaya Namaha. On the throat, Govindaya Namaha Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Any other devotee wanted to reconfirm it again?
Yes, Hare Krishna Mataji. First we start on the forehead, Om Keshavaya Namaha. Then above the navel, Om Narayanaya Namaha. Then on the chest, Om Madhavaya Namaha. And then on the throat, Om Govindaya Namaha.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. So I think the first line, it's finished, isn't it? Actually, these points are which will activate your chakras also, they say. And this in deeper we can go later when you're reading the Srimad Bhagavatam. So this is how you should earmark your body. So now we are seeing the 6 more, okay? 2 on the arms and 2 on lateral side, either of the side of the your belly button, isn't it? So on the left hand side, it is called as Om Vamanaya Namaha. Okay, when you are putting your tilaka on the left hand side, what do you call exactly? It is left lateral position, I can say, anatomical wise. That is Vamanaya Namaha. On right side, it is called as a Vishnave Namaha. So right is always Vishnu, left is Vamanaya Namaha. Then you can proceed on to your arms. So this is in the lower arm, it is Madhusudanaya Namaha, and on the upper arm, it is Trivikramaya Namaha. Okay. Similarly, on the left arm, lower arm, it's Sridharaya Namaha, and above it is Rishikeshaya Namaha. So, in questions, when you get a call from Mayapur Institute for Diksha initiation and all, so if you miss on this sequence, so they're not going to consider it. So please try to practice it daily so that it becomes easy for you when they ask you the questions. Okay, so this, I think we are clear. Now on the left hand side, it is Vamanaya Namaha. On right hand side of the belly button, it is Vishnave Namaha. So on the arm, it is Madhusudanaya Namaha down, and above it is Trivikramaya Namaha. And left hand arm, lower one is again, lower arm is Sridharaya Namaha, and upper is a Rishikeshaya Namaha. So can somebody please say this?
Hare Krishna Mataji, may I Mataji? On the lower bottom side, right side Mataji, belly button, it is Vishnave Namaha, right side, Vishnave Namaha, and left side is Vamanaya Namaha. And lower arm side, it is Madhusudanaya Namaha, upper side is Trivakramaya Namaha. And lower left side, it is Sridharaya Namaha, and upper side, it is Krisikasaya Namaha. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah. Hare Krishna. Anybody else?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, I had a doubt actually
Yes.
regarding the, how we have to place the tilakas. Aren't we supposed to finish the right side first before moving to the left side?
Yes, Prabhu.
I mean, like when we were explaining, right? It is said on the right side, Om Vishnave Namaha. On the left
Yeah.
side of the belly, it's Om Vamanaya Namaha. But my doubt
Then
is, shouldn't it be Om Vishnave Namaha, then Om Madhusudanaya Namaha, Om Trivikramaya Namaha, then moving on to the left side and saying Om Vamanaya Namaha, Om Sridharaya Namaha, and Om Rishikeshaya Namaha. It's just a
Prabhu,
doubt, Mataji.
we can go like that, Prabhu.
Okay, Mataji, I just had that doubt because that's how, I was taught when I was started applying on the 12 places Tilaka. So I thought I
Yes.
was doing it wrong.
Yes, no, Prabhu. It is right. But when you are applying on the either side of the belly button, it's a convenience, The only thing is that you have to remember the name. That's most important thing.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, anybody else wanted to give their input?
Mataji, so we can put on the either side first and then go on the arms. Is that okay or?
Yes, Mataji, you have to recite the name. That is most important thing, and should not, the name should be proper, like should not combine or mix with what do you say? It should go in a sequence. That is most important thing.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So anybody else wanted to say? Okay,
Hare
fine.
Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, there was a slide with the body parts and the name just before this.
Mm-hmm.
Can you please show that again?
It's the same thing, no?
Yes, Mataji. Similar one.
Okay. That is another PPT.
Mataji, I think here only. After this, we were reading. Yes, Mataji, this one. Is it in order, Mataji?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay. Fine. So on the back side again, this is Padmanabhaya Namaha, Damodaraya Namaha, and finally you have to put it on a Shikha, that is a Vasudevaya Namaha. Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, fine. Now I'll ask you a question again. Can you please tell me the order in which you have to apply Tilaka? Anybody from the audience? At least 4.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
So we start with the forehead, Mataji, Om Keshavaya Namaha. We then move to the belly, Om Narayanaya Namaha. Then to the chest, Om Madhavaya Namaha. Then to the throat pit, Om Govindaya Namaha. Then on the right side of the belly, Om Vishnave Namaha. To the right upper arm, Om Madhusudanaya Namaha. To the right shoulder, Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Mataji, I'm not sure of the shlokas or the mantra, but I know the, then we move to left side, Mataji, left side of the belly, then to left shoulder, left upper arm, left shoulder, then upper back, lower back, Mataji. But I know only up till, Trivikramaya Namaha. I need to study the rest of the...
No problem, Prabhu. That automatically will come because all of us have learned like that only. No problem. Then on the top of your occiput, that is
Om Vasudevaya Namaha. That I...
easy to remember. Yes. Hare Krishna. Neeta Mataji, you wanted to give again the order? Deepti Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam. Mataji, even I remember the same order. Like we'll start from the forehead first. Om Keshavaya Namaha. Then we'll move on to the belly. Om Narayanaya Namaha. Then on to the chest. Om Madhavaya Namaha. The throat. That is Om Govindaya Namaha. Then we move to the right side, right part of the belly, and that is Om Narayanaaya Namaha.
Vishnave.
Sorry. Om Vishnave Namaha. And we'll cover the right side first. So right upper arm, that is Om Sridharaya Namaha. And then Om Madhusudanaya
Madhusudanaya
Namaha. Yes, Mataji, upper side. Then we'll move on to the left side, that is left belly, that is Om Vamanaya Namaha. Then we'll move on to the left upper arm, that is Om. Yes, sorry, I missed. I just got confused because the right side was Om Trivikramaya Namaha, upper side. So this side would be Om Sridharaya Namaha. Upper side is Om Rishikeshaya Namaha. Then we'll move on to the right upper back, that is Om Damodaraya Namaha. And then back side is Om Padmanabhaya Namaha. And then onto the Shikha, Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, somebody else?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Dandavat Pranam. On forehead, we will say Om Keshavaya Namaha. Then on belly, it is Om Narayanaya Namaha. And on chest, we say Om Madhavaya Namaha. And on throat, we say Om Govindaya Namaha. Then to the right side, right belly, we'll say Om Vishnave Namaha. Right lower part, hand lower part, we will say Madhusudanaya Namaha. And the upper part is Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Then to the left side of belly, we'll say Om Vamanaya Namaha. The right hand lower part, Om Sridharaya Namaha. The upper part, Om Rishikeshaya Namaha. On back side, we will say Om Padmanabhaya Namaha. And the down part, we will say Om Damodaraya Namaha. On Shikha, we will say Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So you people are well prepared actually. When we were learning, we had a lot of confusion, but it's okay, fine.
Actually, this there in the book, Mataji. It's a book by name Beginner's Guide. It is there. It is mentioned in that book. So I to learn from that book. Thank you very much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hope I think it is clear. Any more doubts on the Vaishnava dress and Tilak appearance?
No,
Mataji, I had a doubt, like there is something written for Vasudevaya Namaha, Mataji. What was that? I had some network problem when it was said.
Vasudevaya Namaha is on your occipit.
Some right hand, only use right hand, something like that was written. Can you show the slide, please?
Okay. Yeah, this is the Vasudevaya Namaha on the Shikha.
The above one, Mataji, where everything was written. You use only right hand, something was written. In the above slide, Mataji. Above.
This one?
Where mantras were written, Mataji.
Okay.
The other one, where sequence was given.
Is this the one?
Yes, Mataji, yes. So we are not supposed to use our left hand because we will be rubbing our tilak on our left hand, right, Mataji?
Like this.
So we will wash and use only right hand. Okay, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji. In the last paragraph on this page, it is written, the Shikha area is not marked with tilka. Rather, after washing the right hand, wipe the remaining water on your Shikha while chanting Om Vasudevaya Namaha. So it is not marked with Gopi Chandan. It's only water is there put there.
No. We'll keep the Chandan Prabhu actually like this at the last.
Hare Krishna Mataji. I thought it was just hand to be washed and then water to be applied to it.
Yes, yeah. We'll wash the end and the rest we'll just keep it like this, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna, Mataji.
somebody.
Krishna. Mataji, we don't have shikhas, so we'll not say Vasudevaya Namaha.
No, no, we have to earmark Mataji. It is been just anatomically they have shown area we have to keep. Everybody, it is for whether it's a Mataji or Prabhuji, it's the same thing, you know.
Okay, Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Sarita Mataji, anything you had a doubt?
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji. Dandavat
Krishna.
Pranam. Yeah. Mataji, if somebody is allergic to that Gopi Chandan, can you use it water only?
Yes, Mataji. For the people, like because of not all places will allow that, and you can use it. But otherwise, we have been using Chandan for the past few years, but none of us has faced any allergy because it is made up of some eco-friendly
Mataji, it is
material.
sometimes causing pigmentation of the skin. So some people may be sensitive to it. So I'm just asking that what is the alternative to be used then?
Alternative, we can earmark with water, Mataji.
Water. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Any more doubts or anything? Is it clear?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, all clear.
Okay. If there are no more doubts, I think we can just end the session for today. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Thank you, co-host and participants, for your active participation. Hare Krishna.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, Dandavat
Thank you,
Pranam.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mataji.
Thank you so much.
Dandavat Pranam.